Hello and welcome to Curiosity, the channel where we explore the wonders of science and nature. Today we are going to talk about one of the most fascinating mysteries of our solar system. How did the moon form? The moon is our closest neighbor in space, and it has a profound influence on our planet. It stabilizes our tilt, creates tides, and lights up our night sky. But where did it come from? How did it end up orbiting Earth? There are many theories about the origin of the moon, but the most widely accepted one is called the giant impact hypothesis. It suggests that the moon was formed about 4.5 billion years ago, a few million years after the formation of the solar system, due to the collision of Earth with a planet about the size of Mars. This planet is sometimes called Theia, after the Greek goddess who was the mother of the moon. According to this hypothesis, when Theia slammed into Earth, it created a huge explosion that sent a lot of debris into orbit around Earth. Some of this debris coalesced into a large disk that gradually formed the moon. The rest of Theia either merged with Earth or was ejected into space. This scenario explains why the moon has a similar composition to Earth's mantle, as both were derived from the same material. It also explains why the moon has a relatively small iron core, as most of Theia's core would have sunk into Earth's core during the collision. And it accounts for the high angular momentum of the Earth-Moon system, as a giant impact would have imparted a lot of spin to both bodies. However, there are still some challenges and uncertainties with this hypothesis. For example, how did the debris disk become so hot and molten? How did it cool down and solidify into a single moon? How did the moon end up with less volatile elements than Earth? And how likely was such a massive collision in the early solar system? Some scientists have proposed alternative or modified versions of the giant impact hypothesis to address these questions. For example, some suggest that there were two or more collisions instead of one, or that Theia was very similar to Earth in size and composition, or that there was a different mechanism for ejecting material into orbit. These hypotheses are based on computer simulations, laboratory experiments, and analysis of lunar rocks. They are constantly being refined and tested with new data and discoveries. As we learn more about the moon and its history, we may be able to solve this puzzle once and for all. Thank you for watching Curiosity. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content like this. And don't forget to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious,